Hi, I'm Susan Sadlowski Garza, Alderwoman of the 10th Ward, and I am really excited for the opportunity to build a new multi-purpose hiking and cycling trail along Lake Calumet. This new trail is really a restoration of Lake Calumet's historical legacy as a place for Chicagoans to experience nature. Around the turn of the century, Lake Calumet was home to a resort and was a popular destination for boating, fishing, and hiking. For far too long, this area has been inaccessible to our residents, and this new trail will allow a new generation of neighbors to experience the nature and natural beauty of the lake. In addition, this new trail will help connect the Pullman neighborhood with South Deering and Hegwish. It will provide another amenity to draw people to the revitalized Pullman National Monument, as people will be able to bike and walk from Pullman across to the beautiful Lake Calumet, and also to Chicago's largest bike park, Big Marsh. I'm so excited for this project, and moving forward, it will bring years of enjoyment for Chicagoans and people all across the country to enjoy.